This morning I woke up to the notification of a delivery from a Goodwill. So I woke up immediately and I couldn't resist putting this on. My 2060 arrived. I put it on the bracket already. And goal of today is installing a 2060 on my DL360 and hopefully installing a 5070 on my DL380. Okay, let's start with 2060. I don't know why I'm more excited about this one than this one, which is not normal. And this is what we're going to use. Again, welcome back to the one-hand building. We have two of those. Okay, this is what we're going to use to bypass the motherboard requirement or electricity from the motherboard. And this one has turn on, turn off button, so we can actually turn on, turn off the GPU separately from the server itself, I think, which is super cool. So all we need to do right now is connect the cables that we need to our power supply and to our GPU, and we should be golden. Yeah, let's see. Our cable setup is ready. I connected the motherboard to the PSU. I connected VJ1 and VJ2. I might actually need only one, I'm not sure, but and I connected two ends from VGA port to the graphics card, and I connected this bypass to the motherboard end. Now all we need to do is put this thing into our server. Okay, now GPU is installed, and I'm aware it does not look good. And this definitely won't close. And I know GPU is backwards because this was the only way to PCIe Express slot to go in. I know it looks janky, but this is how we roll. And before I start testing that, I'm not even sure if that GPU was working, by the way. It's from a Goodwill again. I want to do the 5070 as well. So let's go. Okay, I gave up super fast on the 380 because I couldn't unscrew the things that I needed to. I don't have a screwdriver. I was using my friend's screwdriver and he took it back. So I'm hoping he will bring it back today. Meanwhile, let's test this DL360. I hope it will work. Good news. GPU fans are turning. Our PC is on. Now we'll log into our Proxmox and see if we can actually use the GPU. News, our graphics card is working. As you can see, I plugged an HDMI cable from there to my monitor over here. Bad news is I still couldn't succeed to show it on the Proxmox. We'll come to that. Guess what? My friend brought the screwdriver back, so we can actually try to install this 5070 now. Let's go. Aha. You stayed there for too long, my friend. Come on out. Let's check this beauty. Here it is. Now 5070. Well, it didn't fit. We need to do the same thing with it with the DL360. Get another PCIe extender and probably power it with a outside power supply, external power supply. Well, who's surprised it didn't work? It didn't fit. Not me. I know it's not me. But again, it actually worked well to do all this. I was able to remove one of the M.2s in this adapter because apparently the L380 Gen 9 doesn't support bifurcation. So we couldn't separate this 8x into two 4x's to get 2 terabytes of M.2s. So one of them was useless in there. And I moved this to the bottom so I have two openings. And I also broke this plastic here, which is awesome. So I'll probably get another one of these or some other thing, but I want to get an HP for some reason I don't know of to use this M.2. And I'll probably get the same thing that I have here. I'm gonna build the same setup. As you can see, this setup for my other GPU. This is RTX 2060. Right now it's turned off because I was trying different Linux distros. I tried Ubuntu, Debian. Now I don't know which one to go for. Do you guys have any ideas? If so, let me know. And again, thanks for watching it, few of you out there. It actually makes me really happy. Okay. Yeah, I couldn't hold myself. So I removed the 2060. I know I said this video was over, but I'm back. This is the next day. I removed 2060. There are two reasons why I removed 2060. First, this is secondhand. It has some dust around it. I want to clean it with isopropyl alcohol. And I also want to change the thermal paste on this, hopefully. And I ordered another PCIe Express slot, but apparently Walmart stopped selling this Fantex one. So the second one I bought, I didn't like it as much on the photos. So I'm going to use this one, the fancier one, with the 5070 on my DL380. And this one will go onto a shelf until I get the other one next, I don't know, in a couple days. So let's go. Let's install the 5070. I'm excited about this one. And you guys said my first setup was janky. Look at this one. It is the jankiest shit I ever done. I need a longer PCIe cable. I'll get it one day. Promise. Again, see you all. Have a great day.